Okay, what do I do? Well, as a professional photographer specialised in architectural photography and landscape photography and travel photography, my approach to ISO is very simple and very specific. I rely on two key things: a tripod and my camera's base ISO. When I'm commissioned to photograph a building or a piece of land, whatever, my subjects are stationary. This means I've got absolutely no need to use a fast shutter speed to freeze motion. So my primary concern, it's not speed, it's image quality. My primary concern every time I take a photo is image quality. And by placing my camera on a solid tripod, I completely eliminate any risk of camera shake, no matter how long the shutter stays open. And that could be as long as 30 seconds. Yep, I quite often use really long exposures like that. And because I'm getting all the light I need from that long exposure, I never have to increase my ISO. My camera's almost always set to its base ISO of 100, which gives me the cleanest, most detailed photos my camera can produce. I can confidently create a large, high-quality print for my client without worrying about digital noise or loss of detail. Or more relevantly in this day and age, I can zoom quite a way into a photograph and I can take an extract out of it with no loss of detail. Much more relevant for this decade, Rick. Come on, keep up. Prints. Ha! This workflow is the absolute gold standard for any type of photography where you want to achieve the maximum technical quality.